Hey, good morning, everyone. I forgot to tell you something very important in the first morning meeting video, so I'm making a special announcement video here. First of all, I want to remind you to come to our Zoom meeting today at 12:30. I've posted the link up there on Facebook and sent it to your parents so that they have it so that you can join our Zoom meeting at 12:30 today. The password is Grover for that. And look forward to seeing everybody. We had 13 people last week. And I know we made a goal that we want to have at least 14 of our scholars join our meeting this week. So we're really looking forward to that. And I know we're going to have some other teachers join us for that as well. And I also want to let you guys know that we have another secret code celebration meeting on Zoom this coming Friday, and that will be at 2:30. And I'll send the information out to your parents later this week about how to get into that. But you need to listen each morning to our morning meetings and listen for the special secret code letters that I'm going to give you each day so that you can spell out the word for the password, okay? And I actually forgot to give you the letter yesterday, so I'm going to give you two letters today. So the first two letters of the secret code are B and I. B, I. So write those down somewhere special. Don't lose them. And on Thursday and on Friday morning, I will tell you another letter on each of those days, and it will spell out a word, and that will be the secret password so that you can get into the celebration for first grade on Friday. All right, guys, thanks so much, and have a great day. Bye.